C6 here at Unique Specialty and Classics, and this one is a clean car. 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 4LT convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually an Arizona car majority of its life. Actual miles just a little over 56,000 is all in this one. 6.2 liter LS3 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Let's take a look at this front fascia. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, chips. Front fascia, very nice shape. You might have a little spot where there's a touch up, but I'm talking very minute. Well cared for, well taken care of car, nicely equipped, of course. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, power top, heads up display. I mean, it's a 4LT package, so it's going to be loaded up. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you click on the link down below the video in the description, that's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Great looking chrome wheels in this car, and you can see those big drilled rotors behind the wheel, part of the Z51 package. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Does have a black convertible cloth top. I mentioned that is power, and we'll show you how that works here in just a bit. Of course, the bucket seats, the leather suede combination, or center console, navigation, heated seats, dual electronic climate control, and more. Does have a Borla axle back exhaust. Good sounding car. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, and then like I said, I'll show you how that top goes up and down. At the very end of the video, Jason's going to take this one for a drive. Tires are date coded 2022, and those are Michelin it's riding on. Of course, torch red, 2012, the ebony interior. If you like Corvettes, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll never know what you'll come across here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Once again, clean Carfax, actual mile car. You can see driver's side, also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. A little hard time focusing there with how bright that red paint is. It literally looks wet. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, your modern amenities with the power windows, locks, memory seating, power mirrors, Bose stereo system, power seats, of course. You can see the seating surfaces, great shape, not much wear on those at all. Of course, steering wheel controls for the information center, heads up display controls over here. I think we better fire this up, see how it sounds. You have the selective ride in this also for the touring and sport suspension modes. Exhaust, a little bark to it. All right, exact miles. Survey says 56,205. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Navigation radio, electronic climate control, of course heated seats. Dash looks good. And you know, a little rumble coming out of that 6.2. Let's take a peek underneath the hood quick. Hood strut's working great. Hood liner, nice and clean and tidy. And check out that engine bay. Don't get any cleaner than that. Very nice shape, no surprises on this one, folks. All right, let me get the tripod set up, and we'll check out this power convertible top, see what kind of condition that's in. And the convertible top up, so you can see it functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield, side glass up, also nice fit. So black fabric top, no rips, tears, holes, doesn't really show any wear at all. Glass rear window, electric defog, and passenger side glass rolled up, also a nice fit. I'll also show you it going back down into the storage area. Jason will take it for a drive. It's a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette 4LT convertible Grand Sport. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, clean Carfax actual miles, just a little over 56,000. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette in red. This is a convertible and we have the top up today. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. I have a heads-up display giving me the tachometer, the speedometer, and other vital info. Awesome sound coming out the back of this Corvette, and very good acceleration. We'll test that out again after the roundabout. Hit it a little harder. The oil pressure is 40 psi. The temperature about 190. That's looking good. Speedometer working. Battery charging at 14 volts, and the gas gauge shows a quarter of a tank. Stereo sounds good.
5.5 River 1.
AC's blowing cold in this car. Got multiple fabric bucket seats in this Corvette for comfort and style. Looking good, black with a lot of stitching. It really matches well to this car. A little bit of carbon fiber right there. Brakes nice and smooth. This car Not even broken in, with less than 60,000 miles at the moment. Braking very well. Corners amazingly flat, as most Corvettes do. Once the Prius is out of the way, let's see what she sounds like. I'll put a window down for you. Sounds really good. Acceleration is also very good. Fun Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2012 Chevrolet Corvette in red, and a convertible at uniqueclassiccars.com.